Dadskillz Part 3.
Nice. Right, do you know what we're going to do today? So this bench, we're going to paint it, we're going to reveal the paint.
No, I don't know what colour it is.
Finally. So we've sanded it and filled it, and so we've sanded it down, hoovered it, and then we're just going to go around. There's still a bit of dust in these cracks and things, so we'll go around, get that out, and then the last top tip is we're going to go around with the tack cloth. And that's stuff that they use on cars when they're respraying them, just to get the last of the dust off. And then we'll reveal the paint. So it would have been easier to use compressed air on it, but we haven't got any access to compressed air. So this method it is. Right, I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, tack cloth. Cool, right, let's have a look at the cloth for a minute, see what it is. So it's just a little sticky, light cloth, isn't it? Right, do the back then. Right, colour reveal. It's a bit lighter than I hoped. Ooh. Should be nice. It's gonna be painted and then have a dark wax put over it. And I hope it dries a bit darker than that. That's what I ordered. But I think it's gonna look cool. And I think with an orange cushion, it should look really nice. Right, let's crack on, shall we? Job done. I'm very happy with that. Just a few places to dry. And I shall leave it overnight to dry, and then we'll come back to it. Hey Walt, you're not going to wee up it again, are you? Oh, you good boy. Good boy. Right, let's have a look. So, yeah, a few bits to dry. Looking pretty cool. And then tomorrow I'll go over it with some dark wax, just to darken it a bit, make it a bit more hard wearing. That'd be pretty cool. When I was doing it, I flicked a bit of paint, and I thought if I had 3 or 4 different colours and I flicked it all over it, it would look really cool, but I don't think I'm brave enough to do it in case I wreck it. So when you come back to me next, it'll be dry, all dry, and we'll be ready to give it its final wax. Right, we're almost done. So I've left it to dry overnight, and the colour of the video makes it look blue, but it's actually a sort of dark teal. So let's see what we've got in the box. Let's see if we can find some dark wax in there. Right, I've got a couple of tins of this dark wax called Jacobean. So I'm going to try that on a place where it won't be seen to start with, see how it comes out. Right, okay, after having a play, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to go over it with a clear wax. And then any recesses will go nice and dark, and it will make it look a bit older than it is, which is excellent. Right, okay, we're all done. Waxed. Polished up. Now it looks like it's been sat in a pub next to a fire for 50 years. It's pretty cool, I'm really happy with that. It's still a bit greener in real life than it is on the video. Yeah, that's excellent. So this series isn't over just yet. I've still got to make a cushion for it. And I'm thinking orange, because on the colour wheel, orange is opposite this sort of bluey green colour, teal, that it is. But that will be in the future at some point, not just yet. Yeah, you wouldn't think it was a door to start with, would you? It's come out really well. I'm really happy with that.
See you next time.